Hello, I'm Sonika. I'm a computer engineer, but moreover, I'd like to introduce myself as a tech enthusiast from Nepal. And yes, that's the greatest passion in my life, technology, working with technology, learning about newer technology, and making technology work for the betterment of people and everyone living in this earth. There are three things that I hope to get out of Global Solution Program. First is actually the reason why I'm applying, and which is to help solve the agricultural bottleneck of Nepal. Nepal is an agricultural country, and the reason why I'm saying this is because agriculture is the main source of food. Of course, and the main source of income and employment of Nepal, of a majority of population of Nepal. But the problem is land is less and the food demand is high because of the increasing younger population. So how do we teach our farmers to do more with the less? The traditional farming is based on rainwater, and due to the climate change, the farmers' knowledge about when the rain will come is no longer true. So, how do we actually solve this irrigation challenges? Well, I believe that we can do that by identifying and mapping the underground water sources and then regulate the right amount at right time. And to do that, we can use the satellite data and GPS data, which will give us information about the ground water level below, which we can analyze later to make smart decisions, which will help the smallholder farmers in Nepal. And the second thing that I hope to get out of GSP is to learn new technology, learn more about satellite, and learn how to turn data into action. Well, I can do that only in GSP. And the third thing that I want to get out of GSP is to network, to do peer learning with passionate innovators all around the globe who will be there in GSP. So I really want to be there at GSP. I really hope to be there, be part of GSP 2017. Thank you for giving me this space. Thank you.